Hello again everybody, it's Derek from San Diego Harley-Davidson. I'm proud to introduce a brand new model into Harley's lineup. It's a 2014 Super Low 1200T. This beautiful bike is in the beautiful two-tone combination of midnight pearl and birch white. Never seen so many big touring features packed in such a light, easily handling machine. It's fantastic. Beautiful lockable leather saddlebags, comfortable 2-up seat, teardrop 4.5 gallon fuel tank, detachable windshield. It's got Harley's split 5-spoke wheels with tubeless radial Michelin Scorcher tires, low 25.5-inch seat height. The riding foot pegs have been moved to allow easier access to the Jiffy stand for perhaps diminutive riders. This bike is amazing, 1200 cc's. Unbelievably beautiful motorcycle, handles great, looks great, has docking hardware already installed for a luggage rack or a passenger upright. Adjustable rear shocks. Can't see them because the saddlebags are there, but they're adjustable. This bike is built for the road, built for the long haul. It's lighter and smaller than the Switchback, and much lighter and smaller than the Road King, but all the wonderful, great features that both of those bikes possess, this Super Low 1200T also possesses. It's available only at San Diego Harley-Davidson, 5600 Kearny Mesa Rd, San Diego, California, 92111. Or you can call us at 858-818-1919. Come see us. This bike won't be here long.